Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to split text into two columns in Microsoft Word. So as we can see, we have this paragraph and data in this document. You want to make it and you want to make split into column. So just select all, layout and column and select to home tab. Then justify and what you need, make changes from here like this. So thanks for watching. This is a simple and basic way to make your text and to split your text into two columns. Similar way you can increase the more columns layout column and make it 3. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.